If you love wild feats of engineering but hate long history lectures, stick around. This is the Hoover Dam in 45 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Back in the 1930s, the American Southwest was desperate for water and power. So, thousands of workers braved blazing heat to build the Hoover Dam, a concrete giant in the Nevada desert. At the time, it was the tallest dam on Earth. But it wasn't just about size. The dam tamed the wild Colorado River, turning deserts into farmland and lighting up cities like Las Vegas. The construction was a massive risk, but it created jobs during the Great Depression and pushed the limits of engineering. Today, the Hoover Dam stands as a symbol of American grit and ingenuity, proof that a big idea can change the world. Not bad for a wall of concrete, right?